Aviation, now operating as part of Navy Wings. The only problem is, of course, once you've dealt with the intruder, you've got nowhere to land, so it's of course quite a bailout or a ditch, and all the ships pitch in it. You see, very much born of necessity, because early in World War II, the North Atlantic supply convoys, so vital to the well-being of Great Britain, were at serious risk from German maritime aircraft, the likes particularly of the Focke-Wulf FW-200 Condor. And the issue was that no aircraft fighters made its sufficient distances from the shore to be able to counter them. Operating far from land, hence that need for them either to ditch or for the pilot to bail out. Later, the Sea Hurricane's range was, however, extended with the use of drop tanks, which will hopefully enable them to make sure. The next development in the Battle of the Atlantic, if you like, was the use of those sort of ships to sail with every convoy. Just simply didn't have enough ships. So they started taking a Liberty ship and putting a flat deck on the top. Fortunes really changed. Kennett put the aircraft through a ground-up restoration. It flew again in 2006 and made its debut here very soon afterwards. It then carried on flying on the display circuit through until the end of 2015, when it was put into a major overhaul. It took to the air again from Old Warden, because Kennett Aviation is now based here, in November 2021, and it was that same month that it was acquired by Navy Wings.
So much easier on aircraft carrier. Now watch the Spitfire, because of course the wing